Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on where you are watching me from. Remjok Matt is here again. Nice seeing you. I'm meeting you guys here. Hope you are doing great. I wish you a wonderful day. Okay, yeah. Before we solve this problem, this is a complex analysis. We have a very simple problem. But before we solve it, let's just pray to our God. For 2 seconds, just pray to your God for retentive memory and more understanding. We are in prayers. Amen. Prayer is very good and beautiful. Whatever thing you want to do, please try and commit it into the hands of God before you do it. Okay, yeah. For those of you meeting me here for the first time, go to Google, type Remjok Maths, amen. Remjok Maths. You will see a lot of solved mathematical problems, amen. I'm the Remjok Maths, the owner of that this website. You will see comprehensive mathematics lecture notes for those who are preparing for JAM, NECO, WAEC, GC, even Junior WAEC, ND, HND, BSc, Masters up to PhD level. You will see comprehensive mathematics lecture notes. It will do you good, most especially those who are major in mathematics. It will help you. Please try and spread this good news. Is that clear? For those who want to learn mathematics, who always find mathematics difficult, please share this video. You know, I used to tell the teachers who are in secondary school that mathematics is not something you attach cane. Yeah, you don't attach cane. Whenever you are teaching mathematics, just hide cane. Cane will not help matters. Mathematics is something that you pet the student to know it, not with by force. No, that student, you are telling the student to run away from mathematics. You pet him, yeah, pet him like a newborn baby, and believe you me, that person will know and learn the mathematics. But the situation you ask a student, 2 times 2, oh, you don't know. You are telling me 5. Now, you now say, yeah, class prefect or class monitor, go and look for the biggest cane. You know, you are putting fear in the life of that student. And you are telling the student to hate whoever study mathematics. So, if a mathematician is around him, you don't want to flow with him. It's because of that mindset. But when you pet the student to learn this course, I bet you the student will be proud of you. Okay, yeah, and that is what I've been doing. Is that clear? Yeah. Okay, so let's look at this idiot. Please, you can also follow me on Facebook, Remjok Maths, amen. I have a lot of Facebook page, lots. Remjok Maths, follow me on Remjok Maths. Go to YouTube, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to Twitter, go to Instagram, and the rest. You can also follow me and share the good news. Is that clear? God bless you. Okay, yeah. Let's look at this idiot. It's simple as ABC. Yeah. Given W equals to f of z is equals to 1 plus z all over 1 minus z. Find the W all over the z and also determine whether W is analytic. Okay, it's simple as ABC. You know, this function is in W plane. So we now write it this way: W is equals to 1 plus Z all over 1 minus Z. Yeah, ordinarily, if you are to find the W all over the Z, what will first come into your mind? Look at this function. What will first come into your mind? You go back to your calculus. Yeah, excuse me, your elementary calculus. You don't need a prophet to tell you. For you to obtain this function, you must use what is called quotient rule. Two of us. Yeah, quotient rule. Now write using or applying using quotient rule. Amen. Quotient rule. Quotient rule is our since we are talking about W and Z, the dependent and independent variable, the W all over the Z will now be equals to U dv all over the Z, because we are not talking about X, minus V du all over Z all over V squared. Yeah, this is the formula you will use. So you don't need the prophet to tell you. It implies that our W is of this form, U all over V. Yeah, so as it is, what should be your U and what should be your V? Your U should be the numerator and the V should be the what? The denominator. We now say let U be equals to 1 plus Z and V be equals to 1 minus Z. Yeah, do you agree with me? So if you agree with me, it is left for us to look at this formula. We've gotten our ordinary U and ordinary V. What is left? The V all over the Z and the U all over the Z. So we have to differentiate them with respect to Z. So our du all over the Z is going to give me what? 1, because if you differentiate this 0, you differentiate Z 1, and the V all over the Z is equals to minus 1. True or false? If you differentiate this 1, if you differentiate minus Z, it's going to give you minus 1. Yeah. So now we substitute it into the formula. Our d W all over the Z will now be equals to, what is our ordinary U? Is 1 plus Z, close bracket. What is our V all over the Z? Is minus what? Minus 1. Then what we have here? Minus V is what? Ordinary V is 1 minus Z. Then what is our du all over the Z is 1. Amen. Then all over ordinary V is 1 minus Z. Amen. All in what? Square. Okay. Yeah. So if you agree with me, we can multiply out the brackets to give us our dw all over the Z. True or false? Minus 1 times minus 1, sorry, minus 1 times 1, going to give us minus 1. Minus 1 times plus Z, going to give us minus Z. Then 1 times this, okay, use minus 1 to multiply this, it's going to give us minus 1. Minus 1 times minus Z is going to give us plus Z. All over, this is difference of 2 square. True or false? The difference of 2 square, and we leave it like this. Difference of 2 square, that is minus 1 minus Z, is the same thing as 1 minus Z times 1 plus Z. Let's multiply out. It's going to give us 1 plus Z minus Z. True or false? Yeah, minus z, true or false? Then minus z square. This and this will go to give us 1 minus z square. True or false? If we expand this, but if we want to leave it like this, no problem. Okay, so here the denominator will now be 1 minus z square. Yeah. Okay, amen. So if you can see what I am saying, this and this will cancel out to give us minus 1 minus 1 is going to give us minus 2 all over 1 minus z square. True or false? So therefore, our w all over the z is equals to minus 2 all over 1 minus z square. Then let us determine to know whether w is analytic. That is, we now let us determine to know whether w is analytic. Amen. Okay, so for us to know whether w is analytic, we now say at z equals to 1, it means we substitute in for z, anywhere we see z is 1. So if we do that, it means minus 2 all over 1 minus open bracket raised to power. This is equal to minus 2 all over 1. You know, 1 raised to power 2 is the same as 1 times 1, which is equal to what? 1. True or false? So here is minus 1 equals to minus 2 all over 0. We discovered that this is undefined. True or false? Undefined. This is undefined. So you conclude by saying, therefore, w is not analytic because the function here is undefined, so it is not analytic. So this is how you are going to attempt this particular question. So in case you have any question, don't hesitate to drop it on the comment section. Make sure you write and drop it, or just snap it and drop it. I'll look at it and get back to you. And make sure you share this video. Thank you for sharing the video. God will bless you. See you in the next video. Bye.